Hi, welcome to Archiversity online courses. In this lecture, I am going to explain you how to calculate duration of an annual coupon bond using Microless duration formula. Duration measures the sensitivity between bonds price and interest rates. There is an inverse relationship between interest rate and bond price. That means if interest rate increases, price of the bond will decrease, and if interest rate decreases, price of the bond will increase. Now in this scenario, how is that the duration is going to help you? So duration says that for every 1% change in interest rate, the value or the price of the bond will decrease according to the duration. That means if there is an increase in interest rate by 1%, the price of the bond with a 1-year duration will decrease by 1%. In another scenario, if the interest rate increased by 1%, the price of the bond, which is having a duration of 3 years, will decrease by 3%. The same is case with the decrease in interest rates also. If interest rates decrease by 1%, a bond with a duration of 5 years will increase by 5%. In this context, duration plays an important role. Now I'll show you how to calculate Microless duration using a formula. The formula of Microless duration is, so here T is time period and the P is price of the bond and PV is present value of cash flows. And these present value of cash flows are time adjusted present value of cash flows. So using this example, we'll calculate the Microless duration. Now consider a 3-year coupon bond with a face and redemption value of $100 and a coupon rate of 10% per annum, and yield to maturity is 14%. So your cash flows from this bond will be of two types. One is coupon amounts, and at the end of the time period you will get the par value, that is the face value that you invested in the beginning. So these two cash flows need to be discounted. So to get your coupon amount equals to face value times coupon rate. So here face value is $100 and coupon rate is 10%. So your coupon amount is $10. Then the discount rate or yield to maturity is 14%. The discount rate is yield to maturity, that is 14% or 0.14. Then to get the present value of a cash flows, so present value of a cash flows at each time period is cash flow upon 1 plus yield to maturity raised to the power of n. So here yield to maturity is 0.14. So you have to discount it at 1.14 to the power of n. Now this is a 3-year coupon bond. So we'll calculate that now. So first we take the year. Here is 1, 2 and 3. So your coupon amounts. So each year you get a coupon of $10, second year also, third year also. And at the end of the third year, you will get your principal amount or a par value, that is $100. Now we calculate the present value of these cash flows. So here we'll calculate for the first year, it is $10 upon 1.14 to the power of 1. And for the second year, $10 upon 1.14 raised to the power of 2. In the third year, $10 upon 1.14 raised to the power of 3. And at the end of the third year, you will get a par value also, that is $100 upon 1.14 to the power of 3. This you are getting at the end of the third year. So we'll take a power as a 3, right? So here we have a cash flows, that is 8.77, then 7.69, 6.75 and 67.49. Now we'll calculate the sum of this. 8.77 plus 7.69 plus 6.75 plus 67.49. So 90.70. This is the price of the bond. Now we'll calculate the weights. Weight is each year's present value upon price of the bond. So 8.77 upon 90 90.7, then 7.69 upon 90.7, then 6.75 upon 90.7, then finally the par value, that is 67.49 upon 90.7. So these are the weights, that is 0.097, then 0.085, then 0.074, then 0.744. That means in each year from the total price you are going to get 0.09 or a 9% in the first year, 8% in the second year, 7% in the third year, and the principal amount is 70%. So majority of the amount that you get from your bond is in the third year, that is nearly 77%. Now we'll make to get the duration, this is T of I into weight of I. So in first example, so this is 1 year into 0.097, and second year 2 into 0.085, and the third year 3 into 0.074, and 3 into 0.744. So weights are, this is 0.097 and 0.17, 0.22 and 2.232. So we'll calculate a total of this. This gives us the duration. So duration equals to 0.097 plus 0.17 plus 0.222 plus 2.232. So 2.721. Now what this 2.721 duration is? This is 2.71 years. That means an investor who bought this bond need to hold this bond till 2.71 years to recover his or her money. That is one. And second is, the duration also tells that if there is a 1% increase in interest rate, the price of this bond will decrease by 2.71% approximately. So here the Macaulay's duration gives you only an approximation amount. To get the exact duration or exact impact of interest rate on a bond price, you need to calculate the modified duration. Thank you.